Good evening to everyone, though it is not evening but night or midnight. This is the power of healing with Utabi, Ketelo, a medium and a shaman. Guys, I was about to sleep, or I was in bed already, trying to sleep. Kuyavuka nje kimi ukuthi I must talk about this. Angazi noma mhlambe ngivusiwe ukuthi ngiyixoxe lento, kodwa kuyavuka nje kimi ukuthi angiyikhulume ngiyidlulise. Guys, I'm going to share it like a story. As you can see, I don't even have notes, and I felt ukuthi this does not need notes. It needs sharing. As ngisho, I've experienced it a couple of times, or I've seen it happening, that you would find people doing rituals or cleansing rituals naked. Now I'm going to talk about my space as a medium, as a shaman. We need to understand the difference between spirituality and cultural proceedings. We need to understand two things: the difference between spirituality and cultural proceedings. Ngiyayiphinda futhi. Guys, in spirituality, umzimba womuntu uyahlonishwa. Umzimba womuntu noma isiqu somuntu is very sacred. It carries a lot of spirit. And in spirit, there is heaviness. Okay. Uthabi usho kanjani? Ongowekhetela usho kanjani? Umuntu, or isakhiwo somuntu, siyindlu that carries abantu abadala. Okay? Isiqu sakho, your structure, your body is very sacred because kunabantu obembethe or kunabantu obathwele wena. It is something that you do not share with a lot of people. Abantu, guys, abathwetshula because people have access to you. Abantu bakwazi ukukuthwebula because ukwazi ukuveza isiqu sakho into yiso ebantwini. I've had experience, guys, and ngihlale ngikhuza njalo. I always have to reprimand people about this, and I'm going to share my story, two stories. As a healer, if I were to go to a healer, or if I went to a healer and athi kimi khumula ngiyahamba, I leave. As a healer, guys, I deal with pregnant women, and Umzimba, as much as I'm female, I should be used to this. Kunzima ukuthi ngibone isiqu somuntu uma esenqunu. Once a person is naked, it becomes heavy on me to see that. It is different in culture. Why is it difficult for me as a spiritualist to see that? Because lo muntu there are spirits that you are carrying. So once I see your nakedness, I am seeing through I'm seeing your soul in person. Now, a lot of people misunderstand this. When you go to do rituals, whether emanzini, guys, or endabeni, you do not need to be naked. Lo mzimba uyavala uyahlonishwa. That is why sinikezwa amabhayi wokuyimbesa thina. That is why, because you need not show your nakedness to everybody. It is very sacred, guys, and it's like a mirror to your soul. Once I see you naked, it is a mirror to your soul. I'm seeing through you. I'm seeing the, guys, it's very heavy. I'm seeing the actual you in every form. Now, when you go to someone, it, that is why people get tempted to even rape you while healing you, while supposed to heal you. Because akufanelanga ngikubone yonke into. There are parts of your body that are not supposed to be visible uh, to a human's eye, or to your natural eye, to somebody's natural eyes. Hence, I've said it is a mirror to your soul. When God says, "Come as you are," akasho ukuthi iza nobunqunu, but we are talking about you letting go of you in spirit. You let go of you, uze with your imperfections and everything. But he never said, "Come as naked as you are." Immediately we give birth to a child. Immediately, a few minutes after giving birth, uyavalwa lo mntwana, because there are things that you're not supposed to be showing. As soon as umzala, immediately esibhedlela bazomkhava, because that is very sacred. It's very even difficult for me to undress for a doctor, a medical doctor, a GP. It's very difficult. Kunezinto nazo that are not supposed to be seen by everyone. Physically, yes. Physically, I mean, as I speak about cultural proceedings, in culture, ubuntombi bakho buveza through your body. And I mean, we are comfortable with our bodies. I understand that. But that is culture. In spirit, that you know, guys, I get reprimanded mangizohamba to a ritual, ngifake vest. And I'm talking about my space, guys. I'm talking about being a shaman. Mangizohamba ngigqoke vest. You know, there are a couple of times, or there are times where I feel which it's hot. I mean, ngizofaka amabhayi and ngifuna ukufaka vest. And immediately I look at myself in the mirror. It's like, oh, amakhetha azothi no, you're not yourself. Asikubekanga in that space. And I'm talking about my space as a chairman. Asikubekanga in that space. Angimfaki mina umuntu emanzini engagqokile. Angimhlambulula umuntu, angiyenzi inhlambululo umuntu engagqokile. Who am I insulting mangenza lokho? That is why if you did that by mistake, where ukhohliwe impahla, guys, I have to apologize. Before ngizokuhlambulula, I have to apologize. Sihamba ney'thunywa. Kuney'thunywa zekukhanya zezulu esihamba nazo. Kuney'thunywa ey'hlukile esihamba nazo. We need to understand that. Mangizohamba ngikuthatha ngiyekubisa entabeni yamakhehla, when sikhuluma ngamakhosi namabutho, when sikhuluma mhlambe ngey'thunywa noma ngemimoya yamakhosi, kunamakhehla engizokuthatha ngikuse kuwo kuleyo ntaba engiyokhuluma nawo. Uwumuntu wesifazana wakugqokela ingani lamakhehla, ngoba bayahlonishwa labantu. Mangizokuthatha ngikusemanzini ungagqokile, kuney'ndlondlo nabaphathi balawo manzi who are very like high in the secrets of the proceedings that are done there, or whom have like high expectations to the sacredness, let me say that, sacredness of the place that you're going to. Kuney'thunywa lapha, guys, eziphezulu kwethu. Why singayi emathuneni naked? Kuneyithunya ey'phezu kwethu ey'dinga ukuhlonishwa, kunemimoya ephezu kwethu edinga ukuhlonishwa. If you are dealing with spirits that are clean, masikhuluma ngamathongo ahlanzekile namathongo okukhanya, uyagqoka, uyayimbatha into oyiyo. That is why we attract wrong spirits. We attract wrong spirits because we have given them that mirror. Nesiqu sakho. Guys, umzimba womuntu is not really that beautiful. Angazi noma you know that. Umzimba womuntu awukho muhle. It is only beautiful to the one that beholds it. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. That's what the meaning says. That's what that phrase says. So if you are going to show everybody that in the physical realm, in the physical world, it's okay. I mean, but when you come to the space of spirituality and healing, umzimba womuntu awukho muhle, kodwa umzimba womuntu uneyithunywa owuzimbethe ezidinga ukuhlonishwa. I get very disappointed, especially mawuhamba namakhosi, seeing a man praying for umuntu onquni emanzini. I don't know how you can lay your hands on that. We need to teach each other, isn't this right, guys? Amanzi azongena ngisho ugqoke kangakanani, amanzi azongena kuwe, uzoba manzi if you're supposed to be manzi. Kuhlanjululwa isimo somoya kuwe. That is why umuntu mayehamba emhlabeni, inyama iyasala emhlabathi, ibuyela lapha efanele ifike khona. Bese and that is why we talk about the spirit, and we talk about ukuvuka komoya, nokuphakanyiswa komoya, nokukhushulwa komoya nani. You need not go to ezintweni uyoveza isiqu sakho and say ngiyocleansa inyama. Asicleanse inyama kakhulukazi. We need to teach each other, isn't this right? Mau umuntu eyofakwa eyogezwa, guys, you need to ugqoka, even if it's something light. You don't show. It is a mistake that has been done for years, guys. I wanted to make an example before ngikhohle. Yabona ama notes ayasiza sometimes. Do you know why Muslims cover themselves? Same thing I'm talking about. We have gone lost because we don't understand izinto. You need to cover this being esinguwe. And that's what they do. That is why you will never find them doing rituals, sacred rituals, naked. You will never. I can give you many tribes and many lento. Ngathini? Abantu abaningi ngokuhlukahlukana nabo, ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo, like ethnic groups. I can give you so many. Ebangawayenza ama-rituals naked. Through culture, we can wear izinto ezingama-crop top. Uveza umzimba, as I'm saying, if uyintombi into uyaveza ngoba ubuntombi bakho. But even with that, even with culture, kunezinto ezingafanelanga ibonwe. awuzivezi ngendlela uyiyo. As I'm saying, kunabaphathi bendawo everywhere you go. Entabeni, ehlane, emanzini, kunabaphathi olwandle. If I'm going to olwandle, ngiyozenzela physical things, it's okay. But if I'm going to olwandle, ngiyoyenza izinto ze-spirituality, it's another story. There's boundaries there, there's limits, there's lines that we're not supposed to cross, sorry. I am talking about this because that's in my space, guys, and we practice different things. We are taught totally different, but with me, as I said, even to touch umuntu okhulelwe or okhulelwe ukuthi mhlambe ngimsize, it takes me ukuzithoba kuqala phansi kwey'thunywa zakhe before ngizomthinta. I have to humble myself to the spirits that are within this person ukuthi ngimthinte ngezandla zami. Guys, let's learn. We are not getting lost because we are lost in that sense, but we are getting lost because we are mixing things. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, and I hope you do ask questions and comment on this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.